Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Cash App with the Grubhub app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start paying for Grubhub using Cash App. How do you actually go and connect both apps together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Grubhub app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Payment, then click on Add New Payment. Select Cash App Pay, and then it's going to go ahead and launch the Cash App app. So at this point, you just need to follow the on-screen prompts to connect Cash App to Grubhub. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Cash App with the Grubhub app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.